first step, I'm gonna take the door thing, put that in there. Okay. Fits perfect. So the cool thing about this door lock, the Schlage, comes with batteries. How clutch is that? It comes with batteries. Man, that alone is enough reason to buy the Schlage brand. That's beautiful. And the Duracell, come on, man. But this is your hardware packet. It comes with the door. It has your key, your screws, your batteries, some more plates. So for you to change out also screws for your plates, all that good stuff, man. This is amazing. Take a touchscreen part. That's gonna go through the front right here. Gotta. So tighten your screws up on your plate.
Shay.
So before you put the back lock plate on, you gotta put this plate on. The slide. Slide those wires through there. Then you put it on there like that. And you'll use these two long screws to go in these two holes right here. All right, once you get this in the front, you line this up with the hole. Get it through the back. Okay, got those connected. So next you're going to line this up right here to that keyhole. You might have to just slightly turn it a little bit for it to fit. Line that up and it'll be flush with your door like that. Then you just screw those in. Then you add your smaller screws right here on this side, on both sides. I already added that one. So add it once to both sides, screw those in, and then you'll have the back secured. You can put your batteries in. And you insert those right here. Just like so. Take your plate. And at that point, you'll hear a little beat in the front. Then you can put your plate on. Then you're done.